look at how you can work with the discussion board. You can access the discussion board in two ways: by jumping from a link inside a weekly folder. So for example, let's make a jump to discussion 1. Or by using the link in the left-hand menu item. This will take you to all the forums on the discussion board, whereas a jump link will take you directly to that particular activity. Let's do a jump from inside a weekly folder. Now, you may notice that when you land here, the instructions disappeared. Please don't worry. When you click Create Thread, Blackboard will show you the instructions at the top. So here are the instructions for this discussion forum. And again, as a reminder, if you look at the cookie crumbs at the top, you can tell, you can tell where we are. So we are inside of discussion 1, and here are the instructions. There is an initial post expectation, and then there is a peer response expectation. Please take a little bit of time to familiarize yourself with how instructions are provided on the discussion board. And if you have any questions, please reach out either by using the Got Questions forum on the discussion board, or by reaching out directly to me with a quick text message or a WhatsApp text. Now, one more thing I wanted to show. To make an initial post, you push Create Thread, which is where you can see the instructions at the top. And then here you will be asked to create a subject line. You can just say hello or whatever you want to say. Add your initial post here. And note that you have a variety of formatting tools, some of which may hide under these 3 dots. You can also attach files if you'd like to. If you want to attach images, you'll do that from the plus and then insert local files. And when you're done, you push submit. So this is what an initial post looks like. Now, to respond to a colleague for a peer response, you would click the name of the post you're looking to read and eventually respond to. You will see your colleague's initial post, and then to make a peer response, you guessed it, you would push reply, which pre-populates the subject and just gives you a box to add your response to your colleague. When you're done typing the response, please make sure to push submit. If you plan on typing a longer response, Blackboard might time you out. So a good strategy is to type your response in a Word file and then copy and paste inside of Blackboard and submit.